Pests are found in every crop. But what are pests? And how can Koppert help you control them biologically? This animation will show you two examples. The first example is the control of aphids. Aphids live for 3 weeks at the most. Within that period, they can give birth to a couple of hundred young aphids. As these young aphids also immediately set to work, they can quickly become a pest that can cause much damage. So when there are too many harmful creatures, it means they are a pest. Damage can be caused because they feed on plant sap, leave waste, or eat into the leaves. The plant will become weak and ill, and will produce less or lower quality fruit. Flowers or ornamental plants will become unfit for sale. What can be done against pests? Koppert produces natural enemies of pests. Enemies as they are also found in nature. If these natural enemies are distributed in the crop, they will render the pest harmless. In this case, the parasitic wasp Aphidius columbani is used. The so-called mummies of this parasitic wasp are mixed with dosage material and then distributed. Like the aphid, the parasitic wasp measures only 2 millimeters. After the parasitic wasp has emerged from the mummy, it will search for the pest, in this case the aphid, in order to reproduce. Within half a second, she deposits an egg inside the aphid. This is called parasitism. In the course of a few days, the aphid will swell because of the growing parasitic wasp larva inside its body and will then change into a mummy. After about 2 weeks, the fully grown parasitic wasp will make a hole from the inside through which it leaves the mummy. If the wasp is a female, she will look for a male to mate with. Immediately after this, she will start searching for aphids to deposit her eggs in. In this way, the number of aphids will decrease and a biological balance will be reached. The second example is the control of spider mite. This harmful mite feeds on the plant's sap. In doing so, it damages the plant tissue, causing the plant to lose leaf green and sometimes even to die. The spider mite is a tiny insect that can lay over 100 eggs, from which new spider mites develop after a little over a week. But Koppert has found a natural enemy for this pest too, a predatory mite to control spider mite. Phytoceulus persimilis is its Latin name. It is supplied as adult mite in a shaker bottle. A predatory mite is a real predator because it kills its prey by eating it or by pricking it and sucking it empty. The development of the predatory mite is similar to that of the two-spotted spider mite. Like many beneficials, the predatory mite can only live when its prey is present. The parasitic wasp and the predatory mite are just two examples of biological crop protection. Koppert offers many other products for biological control. They are all aimed at a healthy future with growing clean and safe.